Alright, so we got this street plugged up. See, it's almost halfway across. I didn't have a rake on me. All right, there's gonna be people that ask me, why didn't sweep it up? Why didn't clean it up? This is a city street. I'm not supposed to be cleaning a city street. I see a car that's half buried in water. I know what the issue is. If I can help get that car out, I'm gonna do that. I didn't have a rake with me today because I don't clean the city streets. I'm just out waiting for calls to come in since I'm on call. So I wanna thank you guys for watching. This has been Jay That Drain Guy signing out. Until next time, Taragna. The water was up past that car, the white car, and this car was basically, the whole tire was underwater. So people are gonna come out, go to church on a Sunday morning, and get the shoes all wet and dirty.